My name is Ram Krishna Khairam. I'm lecturer in physics. I'm going to teach you physics for class 11 and 12. Hello students. Akoi gravitation chapter sigi makha tarak poina masi taguduriba topic asina akoi gi satellites. Di tadi punno ji miyang taminarsi amasung khanminarsi ko. Satellite is number 1 hana understand to what exactly is a satellite. Satellite these are bodies which are revolving continuously in an orbit around a comparatively much larger body. Yam chawba object amada yam pick yam kitang pick object amna sum lay libido continuously sum lay libido adubu khoina kai kore we call it satellite ko. Isam na habada akhoi tha na akhoi prithvi de lady se masi tha se is the satellite of earth. At the same time no in hbi akhoi prithvi su nimit koi natra this earth is also revolving around the sun. Etadi the earth is also the satellite of the sun hbi. Aduna di satellite che akhoi definition gi matungina any object amada akhoi larger object na lay habinina magi akhoi basically type ani thona akhoi khaidok pare ko aham da akhoi natural satellite ko ni this is called natural satellite ko amana artificial satellite. Natural satellite edi kamai thok ba mahusana nature de lejaram ba. For example tha se the moon is a natural satellite. Sida akhoi miui bina khut kai miau di mai mahusana dum lejaram ba ni natra. At the same time artificial satellite haragana akhoi na kamai thok ba man made satellite akhoi miui bina thagat pa satellite. Ahama satellite se kanana thagali ahama satellite se akhoi elsewhere USSR haiba akhoi unified country mem de semba akhoi kaino male mi ko moina khoi fast October 4th 1957 da moina artificial satellite se thalami adu satellite min kai kawi khangbra yes Sputnik kawi adu dagi country mem na USA even including India were able to ko they put the satellite in an orbit around the earth. Hoji akhoi na ne duri si maruina akhoi gi earth satellite ki matang dani ko adu tadi hoji akhoi yengasi kai mai kai nei ne be do. Now at the same time satellite sing sina akhoi gi prithvi de leirabani na mai kamai to ba mari orbit se akhoi na amuk khana be kamai to godage na orbit si mai orbit si satellite ki di circular oibisu ai adu elliptical oibisu ai depending on the condition. Next akhoi hoji satellite ma thagat pai se hekta pungya ya banati satellite ma thagage haita di yam drabada akhoi rocket ma daka roi rocket to the satellite to hap to ni aduga desired height da akhoi gi hoji ki satellite to rocket to na thambaga mana earth ta sumain ungan doine sum ungan doine adu di hoji orbital speed is he yam daka roi orbital speed se kai nu ying si ko. Now it is the minimum speed ko required to put a satellite into a given orbit around the earth. And the sig speed se oidragadi satellite no kamai to ba akhoi prithvi de sule leibeng amor because hek adugi speed to kaima adu speed to yaudraba adu satellite no mai orbital leroi hai tarak pasu ai adagi ma kaino to busu ai phajana leibeng amoi ko. And hoji orbital speed se puthoke ta di we have to use certain mechanical sinatare. So let us see ko koi ji earth se khanar si khoi first ko earth si magi radiation re ohelasi. Now akhoi hoji rocket sinadana satellite ama at a certain height h the thamen lor se let us ko suppose satellite ama se lane lor si. So this is the satellite ko. Now let us consider for simplicity ko the orbit of the satellite se masi kamai to ba circular orbit en loksi. Next high satellite to magi minimum speed ta akhoi hoji orbital speed lane lor si aduga high satellite se circular orbit ta lane loksi gyan tare ko. And akhoi mechanics ki matung ina kai hai any object ama circular lay gi hai taragadi circular motion de chake thari kamai to ba centripetal force ma dakar ohen adu dadi adugi centripetal force so kya ka mana gadagi shine that centripetal force you have to calculate from the center of the earth here sidagi and adugi centripetal force to do kya ga mana gi hai matam da if you consider the orbital velocity will be in this direction habi artadi satellite se clockwise direction da khoi na satle lor se the velocity at this point will be tangential to the orbit at that point. Yareko. Aduna di centripetal force है क्या का माना नहीं that will be given by mv square divided by re plus where v is the orbital speed of the satellite. Now sigi hujik sigi centripetal kano sem force ma leijare masigi force khoi na sigi satellites na balance toro sum leigi hai ta di force sum su dakar oi ba sen hai force sum balance to dune sigi exact method sin khoi Newton na assume to mi se mana khoi Newton's law of gravitation or universal law of gravitation mana haidi discover to matam da. So sigi centripetal force hai kana na balance to ge ha matam da the gravitational force between the earth and the satellite. And akhoi na han khangre khoi universal law of gravitation ni khangre khoi na magi khoi gravitational force kya ga mana ki g times the mass of the earth, the mass of the kari, the mass of the satellite and the distance between the center of the satellite and the earth. Yare ko sidagi khoi just simple calculation dagi m macha se khoi cancel tawre then sigi re plus I sema som na kan gi re plus I se ka amamam khoi cancel tawre sida re I sama le hore. So what we found is that the orbital speed of the satellite is found to be gme divided by re plus I. Adudi sigi formula se khoi ne kai khangi. From this formula now the value of this orbital speed depends on the gravitational constant, I think the mass of the earth and the height of the satellite from the surface of the earth. Adu depend tore. Adu nadi kya hai no sigi terms na denominator lei maram na akhoi satellite na sung wang khaling gai the speed of the satellite will start decreasing hai chum tap thar kani hai. Adu nadi hujik akhoi nam khana bai ai high satellites na very close to the earth, very close to the yam napadi nati ko kitang akhoi gi high certain height khara da leiring khalasi just akhoi say 300 km 400 km from the surface of the earth leiring khalasi adu kan da magi speed ri kya oge da gen. In that case for low orbiting satellite ni ko adu tagadi sigi re sina I sidagi yam chawrani aduna we can ignore this part sigi part se ma khoi na fajana ignore to bai adu tadi the formula will be equal to siga manarni. Adunadi sigi ko standard value sing se khoi na hapsa leng khalasi g gi value ne m gi value ne re gi value ne hapsan matam da kya ta do malya just guess sigi se yam drabada roughly noi holaga yung ko 8 km per second guma tarak par yung. So that will be the required speed ko for the low orbiting satellite to have moi high satellite sing na adugi speed to legedam ne khoi na mana satellite am ora earth ki satellite am oraga leige hai targadi. Next ta hujik sigi makha tarak point akhoi khangi huji height che ko now magi time period mo ying ko time period di high river satellite sina it is time taken by the satellite to complete one revolution around the earth. Earth tamana lei matam da matam kya sanga dage do that is called time period ko. Any satellite sing si khoi aman ang tang matam da matam kya sanga dage do khoi na yam line khang bai ai. So let us see how it would be done ko. Now akhoi huji satellites na at that height ko khoi circle am lei lor si khoi circular orbit am lei lor si adi tadi magi time se kya sang ni time di we know that distance by speed natra adi tadi huji kamai to ba magi total distance complete cycle am man chat matam da magi total distance traveled by the satellite kya hoini we know that for a circle the circumference is equal to 2 pi r draw adu chap manarni. In that case adu si case the radius of the orbit se kya hoini re plus h hotu. So therefore 2 pi re plus h only divided by the orbital speed of the satellite. Hoji akhoi ne tawhiba orbital speed to gi value du hapsan si ko hapsan matung da kya tarni the time period will be equal to 2 pi bracket re plus h to the power 3 by 2 divided by root over gme tarni. Adudi hoji akhoi adu different satellites sing sigi akhoi na height khanga height depend tawle me ma su ko na height depend tawle time period se aduna magi different height da khoi mai time period se khena ne satellite amaga adundi for low orbiting satellite kidi we can do the same go high assumptions re is much greater than h the chawle or si do we can neglect this part. So therefore the period will become equal to this sigi period se khoi na hotna yeng matam dana it is found to be 85 minutes. Adundi khoi satellite yamna nemna ungba ai example am pige akhoi country me punchalaga international space station namely is very close to the earth Moreover, magi distance exactly the akoi haibang ngamde maramdi magi akoi perfectly mana akoi circular orbital lekte ko adu yam nakna masu koibe satellite ni space station ni sida astronaut leibe ai ko noi pau tarang mani dum akoi gi America sing akoi gi astronaut thagalag moi space walk kain to budo adu gi international space station do adu low orbiting earth ni and moi gi time period se roughly 85 minutes si mana doini habi athadi low orbiting satellite sing se yamna nungmada you can easily identify by using this time period. Adudi, just imagine, yam kannasu ungba, yam thunasu ungba hitare. Siniko, in both the cases, akoy na kay khangi, akoy orbital speed, amasung time period se kay depend rome the height of the satellite from the surface of the Earth. Hujik akoy orbital speed amasung time period of a satellite toro matungda the energy of a satellite yingsi. Huji akoi huji Earth chile ko satellite sina huji akoi kamai to ba circular orbit ta akoi lain lor si adi tadi satellite chi energy legadra question am arise story ko the answer is yes magi kinetic energy potential energy total energy leine adi huji akoi na huji ta khangre ko kai satellite su smai lei matam da it will possess orbital speed hariba orbital speed se masi khangabani na kinetic energy khangbu am lai from work energy power we happen to know the definition of the kinetic cause. So therefore, the kinetic energy of the satellite at a distance h from the surface of the Earth that will be half mv square manani. Ko adun di si expression shida half mv square shida koina orbital speed ki magi magnitude to we have to put. Habi atadi v is equal to root over kamai to ba gme divided by r plus s ki value do adu hapsal lakan ko if you put here ko and if you square it ko you will find that kinetic energy se kya manani gme small m divided by twice re plus h ka manani. So this is the amount of kinetic energy that will be possessed by the satellite. Yani ko see this applicable for all the satellite yang my orbit se yam sound legera ping legera it doesn't matter. It only depends on this h. Yam chong leiba kamu idi kinetic energy pick tharakani aduga yam pick na leiba kamu idi magi kinetic energy se chawkhalakadoni. Habi athadi orbit si chawring kai kinetic energy sum pick tharakani have because here the denominator is here re plus h maramna si sum chawkhaladi si gi term si chawkhalakadoni and because of that the kinetic energy will start decreasing when we increase the height. Next, si khangabani na koi potential energy mu khangsi ko. Now, the gravitational potential energy of the satellite at a distance h30 adi kya manani koi nahan da khangre ko koi the gravitational potential energy of the mass in the earth to matam da koi kya manani sidi that will be given by u is equal to minus gmem divided by re plus h. So here the negative sign. So you have to make sure that there should be a negative sign. Yan tare ko masi khone nahan expression ama gravitational potential energy hot khibda yaw term duni simply khone sida to my distance to si distance mo sinba sina mass ohelo sina earth ohelo sina earth ni ko adi tadi ani di gravitational potential is kya tani this term. Next is koi shi khangabani na let us try to find out the energy, the total energy of the satellite. Total energy di koi ni kya hai ni the total energy of the satellite at a distance h from the surface of the earth ke tani it will be the sum of the kinetic energy and the potential energy. So therefore when we see the khangre the total energy is equal to ke plus u is equal to if you put the value of kinetic energy and potential energy ko you will get this expression. The height is equal to simple algebra ma tawraga manipulate tawraga you will find the total energy is equal to minus gmem divided by twice into re plus h tane. Now here the negative sign. Sigi negative sign sigi yam chawba significance role. Sigi negative sign sina kay haino the satellite is bound to the earth have. Earth dum lay ni have. Kayuma negative ta amdra gadi kamai tawni. Sigi kayuma energy sina total energy sina kayuma positive tarama ba then it will escape from the influence of the earth. Aduna negative tarisi kay marangino high satellite to akhor prithvi da adum ungnai to and satellite mo oige tadi aina ngasai definition da high I told you ko that the satellite should continuously go move around the earth. Now Let us do geostationary satellites. Geostationary satellite is a type of satellite man-made satellite, artificial satellite. These are the satellite which appears to be fixed position at a definite height to an observer on the earth. Hariba satellite se khoi prithvi dagi ne certain observer amdi yeng matam ne suk leng da bai tare a thangai shengna sigi satellite se leng da brasine. The answer is no. Leng ni ko satellite se leng ni adu ba kamai to ba adu de khoi u ba de leng ri se kai nu si yamna interesting with da kai manung leng dri no hai matam ne akhoi prithvi ne chatli ba akhoi angular speed se shiga akhoi gi satellite na mana chatli ba angular speed se chap mana bai tare no ji khalu no ni smile pona smile len khasi if you smile chum da chap mana le min ren khasi poto nangi mit gi suling leng we se leng da ma ne leng dri se kai manung because the relative velocity between the geostationary satellite and the earth is 0. Relative velocity is 0 maramna leng de maline leng di leng ni. Now sumba satellite chi khoina kamai to ba marna earth lei matam da akhoi gi circular orbit lei duini. Please note it down ko the orbit of the geostationary satellite se masi kaino hai matam da circular orbit oigedam circular orbit oidragadi akhoi no ji leng na lei do ngam moy at the same time I think side so high magi height se sum altitude che dra height se sum hengalingai magi speed se sum handara kanen adundi at a certain height the stage will come for this satellite adi kamai to ba magi speed to magi angular speed to ga earth ki speed to kamai to ba chap man adune ko satellite ko ina leng de malis and height se kya again I have already shown you it is about 36,000 km from the surface of the earth roughly ni si exact value dinati adu ko ina roughly 36,000 kilometers da shigi aspas tum thamaga ko ina kamai to ba ko ina satellite se geostationary oin be. Now hayeng noin haibi from the center of the earth my height kya again magi distance so you have to add kari 6400 kilometer haibi at the earth ki radius to haptar manam di sig satellite ne sibok si kamai to ba mai 36,000 kilometer ohere sibona radius oramnina ko ji center hai tari stage bo hot matam kya tarni this plus this taroi draw haidi height sigi kano siga earth ki radius ko tinjina duini ko anadi aino sidu hai re the orbit of the geostationary satellite se kya oeba si ko kai oeba circular oyen sigi satellite sing si koi earth ti yeng matam da sungeng leng de highway de makta ma se koi geosynchronous satellite hai su khang next I know they revolve around the earth with the same angular speed of the earth and in the same direction. Same direction. Earth lady say, the earth moves from west to east. Admai satellite su aduga chamana direction laigane. Next magi karis laibigi chang do chamana ramnina. Magi time period aita di akoi prithvi na magi rotation swaina koi complete rotation to matam chang se siga satellite siga mana kadam ne. Adun tadi koi kari prithvi na numada koi ko for a complete rotation matam kya sangi 24 hours natro no mai ji koi ayung nung dang ma ji 24 hours ni ko adu lebi sangi ne hariba geostationary satellite se magi time period habe thidi mana koi earth lei matam da single cycle ma lei matam da matam kya sanga de ge sisu 24 hour oine adun de khoi ne kai khange the time period of the geostationary satellite is same as that of earth. Next geostationary oigi hai tagadi muk hariba condition same speed same time period adun sung yadri circular speed obidra adun sung yadri. There is also another condition they should revolve in an orbit concentric and coplanar with the equatorial plane of the earth so that the plane of the orbit of the satellite is normal to the axis of the rotation. Hojik sigi word se concentric have a word siga coplanar have a word so it is very important word. Geostationary oigetari. See what you see hoi kamai to ring see now let us take earth ko. Earth see equator look see. Equator so you can draw an axis. See earth ki axis about this axis the earth will rotate from west to east. Yare ko. Aduna dekho hojik equator is the plane ama circle masami exiko. So this is the plane that passes to this equator. The equator lie in this plane yare ko adudi geostationary satellite ogi hai tari kamai to ba my orbit circular orni at the same time see distance su shidai shibugi distance su 36000 km odini ko adu kamai to ba mai se sigi orbit siga sigi geostationary orbit siga sigi keno se sigi circular se concentric hai bi athadi kaino any circle ko circle ani khak oro ong khok oro ko sigi center is common oi bai tare they have the same center yare ko dun di sigi circle se sigi circle masa sigi circle achobu siga they have the common center and the common center is the center of the earth yare ni ko aduna khoi fast ki condition di concentric oi bai si habini ko planar oi bai bi athadi ka no sigi equatorial plane se sigi plane sida sigi orbit su legedaba khudam mon habda ai khutsi plane lor si sida circle ma ye circle chobo ma circle ma sam sung ye o ta di sigi ai khutsi da circle ani mak leitro se da mai plane se sini khoi no ji oi gedab se adna khoi earth ki circle ma sa siga equatorial plane siga orbit siga plane je chap man ga da ne adu da nga sa gi geostationary gi magi condition se fulfill taw ne leng da ma ne aduna yo geostationary gi swaina condition se le rabani na magi kamai to ba mai wide application lei ko mai wide application hai tare ko uses hai tare di kai hai ni hai communication da uninterrupted communication da akoi ne uji ngo akoi na suppose country ma da akoi na kamai to ba akoi football khangde cricket khangde hockey khangde mo gi live yeng mangami se masi geostationary satellite ki mateng na ne madi shulen leng dram ni na kamai to ba akoi ne ngo akoi any communication ama tha bai si khogi signal ama tha bai si kamai to ba mafam bi tharaga hai mafam du lengna khoi satellite gi reflect toroga hai mafam du phang duine phang bai si kayumba magi hujiki satellite tu ga mafam du ga kamai to ba sum change toroga di signal do akhoi na kamai to ba hai bi area du phang bang moy ana geostationary satellite ti hai ba khoi earth ki surface sam ga ma ga dum hai contact lina bani na atop country ma da khoi sports khangde am khane sana base sigi live tha base signal ama tha base khoi gi atop jaga am da yam line adum uba phange adra moi si khoi communication kani ko uninterrupted communication da adi khoi phone da wari sabasu sumba geostationary satellite yam kana doini otherwise khoi mobile le huji khangde khoi na huji wari sari se signal se geostationary satellite gi tharak pane aduna tragedi kamai to ba akhoi ste leireng khalasi artist wai lei matam da akhoi geostationary satellite to ga kitang haidi science leireng khalasi signal do akhoi da tharak pang amaroi ba se adu itagadi geostationary satellite se akhoi huji telecommunication du yam kana re yan tare ko an maje communication da maru oina season nei habi da makta sigi satellite bu khoina they are also called communication satellite ka yo communication satellite si it is such yamna shibu hekta thambai shi yam tarai ba podam din natti because 36000 km si yam line habe one is a very large distance so koi rocket sinaga satellite mat haidi thambai se it is a very hard job adubu koi fortunate laiba phabadagi ko india gumba koi country si di hojik geostationary satellite se akoi na thagat pangam akhoi ji handak recently ko akhoi india na GSLV habama geostationary satellite launch vehicle habama akhoi masana sajare sigi rocket sigi mateng na akhoi na geostationary satellite sing se magi geostationary orbit ta yam line thamangame sini akhoi country su hariba satellite sing si yam line ngamabani ko arna akhoi ji satellite ki matang geostationary satellite ki matang na khangabani na akhoi ji gravitation gi nogi syllabus ki matung ina khoi ji tawgadaba lolo shele ko aduna angangsa paro yang kana honaro gyan tanabu honaro gyan so tanam ngeng khali ko aduna swai sum khoi syllabus lo rebina swai sum samjilasi thank you very much